Artificial intelligence is experiencing the biggest technology boom since the rise of the internet. Every day, new AI models are being developed. Companies are investing billions into AI infrastructure. Governments are racing to secure computing power. And data centers around the world are expanding at unprecedented speed. At the center of this revolution is one company, NVIDIA. Its GPUs have become the most sought-after technology products on the planet. They power AI systems, cloud platforms, scientific simulations, autonomous vehicles, and some of the world's most advanced computing applications. But despite record revenues and enormous demand, NVIDIA faces a surprising challenge. It simply cannot build enough GPUs. Customers are waiting months for deliveries. Data center projects are being delayed. And companies are competing aggressively to secure access to NVIDIA's hardware. So what's causing the shortage? Why can't one of the world's most successful technology companies simply produce more GPUs? The answer lies in a supply chain so complex that it spans multiple continents, involves thousands of suppliers, and depends on some of the most advanced manufacturing processes ever created. To understand the shortage, we first need to understand demand. Just a few years ago, GPUs were primarily associated with gaming. Gamers wanted faster graphics. Video creators needed more computing power. Researchers used GPUs for specialized workloads. Then AI changed everything. Large language models, image generators, recommendation systems, and advanced analytics all require enormous computational power. Training a modern AI model can require tens of thousands of GPUs working together. Companies like Microsoft, Amazon, Google, and Meta platforms are spending billions of dollars building AI infrastructure. Startups are buying GPUs. Universities are buying GPUs. Governments are buying GPUs. Everyone wants access to the same limited supply. Demand didn't just increase, it exploded. And supply chains are struggling to keep up. Many people assume NVIDIA owns factories that manufacture its GPUs. In reality, NVIDIA is primarily a design company. Its engineers create some of the world's most advanced chip architectures. But the physical manufacturing is outsourced. The most important manufacturing partner is TSMC. TSMC is responsible for producing many of the world's most advanced semiconductors. Manufacturing cutting-edge AI chips is incredibly difficult. These chips contain billions of transistors packed into an area smaller than your hand. The precision required is almost unimaginable. A single fabrication facility, often called a fab, can cost tens of billions of dollars to build. The equipment used inside these facilities is among the most sophisticated machinery ever created. And building new capacity takes years, not months. This means production cannot quickly respond to sudden demand spikes. One of the most fascinating bottlenecks involves a machine most people have never heard of. Extreme ultraviolet lithography machines, often called EUV machines. These machines are essential for manufacturing advanced semiconductors. Only a handful of companies can use them effectively. And they are produced by a single company, ASML. Each machine costs hundreds of millions of dollars. They contain thousands of components sourced globally. Production capacity for these machines is limited. Without enough EUV machines, chip manufacturers cannot rapidly increase output. In other words, the entire AI industry depends on equipment produced by a very small number of suppliers. Many people believe that once a chip leaves the fabrication plant, the hard part is over. Actually, one of the biggest bottlenecks comes afterward. Advanced packaging. Modern AI GPUs are no longer simple chips. They're highly integrated computing systems. They combine processing units, memory components, and interconnect technologies into a single package. One critical technology is high bandwidth memory, or HBM. HBM enables GPUs to move enormous amounts of data extremely quickly. This capability is essential for AI training and inference. The challenge is that HBM production is limited. Only a few companies have the expertise to manufacture it at scale. Advanced packaging facilities are also limited. Even if enough chips are manufactured, shortages in packaging capacity can delay final production. This has become one of the industry's biggest supply chain constraints. Let's follow the journey of a modern AI GPU. Design begins in the United States. Manufacturing occurs in Taiwan. Memory may come from South Korea. Specialized materials may come from Japan. Manufacturing equipment may originate in Europe. Packaging may happen in different facilities across Asia. Server assembly could take place elsewhere. Finally, completed AI servers are shipped to data centers around the world. This means a single GPU relies on an incredibly interconnected global supply chain. A delay at any point can create ripple effects throughout the system. And because these components are highly specialized, finding alternative suppliers is often impossible. Even if GPU production doubles, demand may still outpace supply. Why? Because data centers are expanding at record speed. AI infrastructure has become the new digital gold rush. Every major technology company is investing heavily in data centers. Some facilities contain tens of thousands of GPUs. New projects worth billions of dollars are being announced regularly. And the demand isn't just for GPUs. Data centers also require power systems, cooling equipment, networking hardware, fiber connectivity, backup generators. In many cases, companies are competing for the same resources. The AI boom is putting pressure on the entire infrastructure ecosystem. Whenever shortages occur, people often ask, why doesn't NVIDIA simply build more factories? The answer is specialization. NVIDIA's expertise is designing chips. Manufacturing advanced semiconductors requires decades of experience, specialized talent, and enormous capital investment. Companies like TSMC have spent years developing their capabilities. Building a new semiconductor ecosystem isn't something that can happen overnight. Even with unlimited funding, expanding capacity takes time. Today, the companies securing GPU supply gain a major competitive advantage. Access to computing power increasingly determines who can build the best AI systems. This is why governments, cloud providers, and technology companies are investing so aggressively. The competition isn't just about software anymore. It's about infrastructure. And infrastructure depends on supply chains. The shortage of NVIDIA GPUs isn't caused by a single problem. It's the result of multiple bottlenecks across one of the most complex supply chains ever created. Advanced manufacturing, specialized equipment, memory production, packaging capacity, global logistics, data center expansion. All of these factors must work together perfectly. As AI continues to transform industries, the companies that solve these supply chain challenges will help shape the future of technology. Because in the age of AI, the real competition isn't just about algorithms. It's about who can build the infrastructure that powers them.